Once upon a time there was no sound in the world, and then, deep beneath the ocean, a crack opened. Lava met ice, and from their clash, a new land was born upon the earth. That day, something different was destined to happen on the planet. Today that land continues to live under the name Iceland. We will tell you details you've never heard or seen before about the place where the world is still being shaped, where fire and ice live side by side and nature preserves its purest form. Are you ready? Iceland lies in the middle of the North Atlantic, right at the intersection of the European and American continents, a place renowned for its magnificent nature. Did you know that everything here is in motion? The earth, the water, the air, even the light itself. It lives by feeling the warmth of lava and the silence of ice at the same time. Every volcano's heart still beats. Every glacier breathes slowly. Here the world keeps itself forever young. In many countries, the land lives by the voice of humankind, but on this island, it lives by the voice of nature. As the wind carries the ocean's salt to the shore, it changes the scent of the soil. The sky and the sea seem to have merged. Days grow long and nights are filled with colors. If you are setting foot in Iceland for the first time, you may lose your sense of time. Here, the concept of hours is rarely spoken of. Only seasons exist. When you listen to the story of Iceland, you are listening to the story of nature itself. Every corner of the country is like a chapter from Earth's history. The region called the Golden Circle is the heart of this story. In Thingvellir National Park, the surface of the Earth splits apart. The European and American tectonic plates separate visibly, with crystal clear waters flowing between them. Waters formed by centuries-old snow slowly filtering through the rocks. Walking here feels like hearing the planet breathe. It was also here, more than 1,000 years ago, that the Vikings gathered to make decisions. Thingvellir is not only a geological boundary, but a cultural one. Icelandic democracy was born among lava stones. The decisions made amid the wind still echo in the soul of the nation today. A little further lies the Geysir Valley, where heat from beneath the ground boils the earth. The geyser called Strokkur erupts every few minutes, shooting water up to 30 meters high. Steam rises to the sky. The scent of water mingling with sulfur and salt. Here one can hear the inner voice of the earth. A few kilometers away, Gullfoss Waterfall is like the echo of that voice. Thousands of tons of water plunge through a two-tiered canyon. Sunlight meets the mist, and a rainbow is born by itself. Stretching westward, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula is known as Iceland in miniature, because here, all faces of the country come together. Lava fields, glaciers, fjords, and black sand beaches. The peak of Snæfellsjökull glacier is always wrapped in mist. Jules Verne's journey to the center of the earth was inspired by this mountain. At sunset, the light filtering through the ice turns the sky purple. Locals believe this region is one of Earth's energy centers. Heading east, the landscape transforms. The Vatnajökull Canyon is a deep wound carved by water over millions of years. Seen from above, a blue river winds between moss-covered green walls, its curves like the flow of time itself. Here, nature works like a sculptor. Wind, water, and lava shape the land together. Nothing in Iceland is static. Everything is reborn. On the southern coast lies the village of Vik, where nature and humanity meet at their boundary. The black sand beach, made of lava stones, stands firm against the fiercest waves of the ocean. The stone columns at Reynisfjara beach are said to be the remnants of ancient giants. In Icelandic mythology, every mountain and every rock has a spirit. These legends make nature sacred, because here humans are guests of the earth. In the country's interior rises the Vatnajökull glacier, the largest ice mass in Europe. Hidden volcanoes beneath it awaken every century, reshaping the island with each eruption. Inside the glaciers are blue crystal caves, where the light seems to pass through solid stone. They melt and reform each year. Iceland is a symbol of patience and renewal. To the north lies Lake Mývatn, surrounded by lava fields, a realm where steam, rock and water coexist. The lava formations, called Dimmuborgir, look like stone pillars carved by the wind. This region is filled with nature's art. The cries of birds, the scent of lava, and the sound of water intertwining. The heart of the north is Akureyri, home to about 20,000 people, yet one of Iceland's liveliest towns. In winter, it sleeps under snow. In summer, it blooms with color. Streets are small, neat and clean. Candles glow in windows. While storms rage outside, warmth reigns inside. Akureyri teaches what peace means in the midst of cold. The capital, Reykjavik, represents Iceland's modern face. With about 140,000 residents, it sits between sea and mountains. Fishing boats set out early from the harbor, while the snow-covered Mount Esja rises in the distance. In the city center, Hallgrímskirkja church towers skyward, its architecture inspired by lava columns. Reykjavik's streets are quiet yet vibrant, full of art galleries, cafes and music clubs. On clear nights, the northern lights paint the city sky. The Icelandic people do not fight nature, they live with it. Their energy comes from the earth itself. Thanks to geothermal sources, cities are heated, and hot water flows directly from underground. Nearly all electricity is produced from renewable energy. Iceland takes from nature without harming it, and gives back what it receives. Its cuisine is simple yet distinctive. Fish is the staple of the north. Cod, salmon and herring appear on tables daily. Lamb and dairy products are shaped by the harsh climate. Fermented shark hakal may seem strange to tourists, but for locals it's a taste of history. The food is not fancy, but it is honest. Every bite carries traces of sea and soil. Culture here is born from silence. Despite a population of only 400,000, Iceland is home to thousands of writers, musicians and artists. The long winter nights inspire creation. Björk's voice and Sigur Rós's melodies sound like echoes of nature itself. In Iceland, solitude is not feared. It is a form of thought. The western fjords are among the most secluded places on Earth. The cliffs of Lathrabjarg form Europe's westernmost point. Beyond them lies only the ocean. Thousands of birds live on these rocky ledges. Standing at the edge, you hear the sea's roar blending with the wind's hum. This is the purest silence in the world. Icelandic mythology is nature itself. The old Vikings believed that mountains and rivers had souls. Even today, many Icelanders respect the legends of the Huldufolk or hidden people. Roads are built around their stone homes, not from belief alone, but from respect. Humanity cannot rule nature. It can only coexist with it. In winter, snowstorms engulf the land. The sun appears briefly before vanishing on the horizon. Yet this darkness brings Iceland's most enchanting moments, the aurora borealis or northern lights, painting the night sky in green, purple and gold. These lights are the melody of silence. When summer arrives, the sun never sets. During the midnight sun, days stretch endlessly. People return to nature, camping, swimming in rivers, children playing outside past midnight, for time loses its meaning. Life doesn't stop because the sun never leaves. Living in Iceland is hard but harmonious with nature. Everything follows the rhythm of the land. Storms are part of daily life. People move not by weather forecasts, but by nature's will. This island is the land of patience. Education levels are among the world's highest. Icelanders value knowledge over display. Life is lived simply. Luxury is silence. Just a few kilometers from Reykjavik, wilderness begins again. The boundary between city and nature is almost invisible. The economy is small but resilient. Fishing, tourism and energy form its backbone. Yet Icelanders partner with nature rather than exploit it. Even as tourism grows, the balance of nature is never ignored. Because for Iceland, nature is not scenery, it is identity. In the eastern valleys lies Strokkur, the island's largest forest. Centuries ago, Iceland lost nearly all its trees. Now it is regreening. Reforestation here is humanity's promise to nature, being kept. In winter, winds grow fierce. Roads close, homes are buried in snow. Yet in these moments, Iceland reveals itself most clearly. Even when nature rages, it remains beautiful. While storms howl outside, people find a quiet peace within. Life in Iceland moves to nature's rhythm. There is no haste. For centuries, people on this land have listened to nature. The direction of the wind, the color of the sky, the sound of water guide them. Iceland remains one of the rare places in the modern world where humans and nature still live side by side. Perhaps that is why here the world's voice can still be heard. Every eruption, every melting glacier, every shimmer of northern light reminds us that the planet is still alive. Iceland is not just an island, it is where the heart of the earth beats. Where fire meets ice, silence speaks, and the wind sings. This land is a mirror of the past and a herald of the future. And perhaps humanity's oldest lesson lies hidden here. The earth does not belong to us. We are only its guests.